What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1L, the Hussle family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into memes. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake social media platforms out there. Got a lot of people making fake pages and scamming people with my name. So please get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, alright? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. Not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So, today I'm going to be dropping some quick gems, man. I know a lot of people out there need help, need some loans, need credit cards, need quick cash. And today I'm going to show you guys where you can get a quick $3,000 from this credit union. They're giving out $3,000 to people to help them build their credit and, you know, just to continue building your relationship with this bank. So today I'm going to be talking about a bank called DCU, Digital Federal Credit Union, and they're giving out $3,000 to new members to up to 24-month terms, up to 5 point APR percent on $3,000 credit builder loans. So anybody out there looking to get a credit builder loan, anybody out there looking to get $3,000, join this federal credit union, just like a Navy Fed. This is a digital Fed. They deal with digital currency and things like that. It's just a lot of different credit unions out there, and a lot of different banks out there that a lot of people can literally get signed up for and start getting these benefits. Now, it's a lot of banks that don't offer these type of things, and it's a lot of banks that do offer these type of things. It's a lot of banks that offer bad credit or credit builder credit cards, unsecured and secured. There's banks that offer credit builder loans, secured and unsecured. And like I said, secured loans are loans that you put up collateral. Unsecured loans are loans that you don't have to put up any collateral. And then you got the credit cards the same way, and you got lines of credit the same way. So it's a lot of people out there with bad credit. It's a lot of people that need to get their feet back on the right track, their feet wet. It's a lot of people that are dying need of getting loans, bad credit loans. There's a lot of people that just want money to do whatever they need. So anybody out there with bad credit, first thing you need to go do, if you're interested in this $3,000 loan, credit builder loan, is go sign up for Digital Federal Credit Union. Once you sign up, start building a relationship. Once you build that relationship with them, apply for the credit builder loan, $3,000, and you should get approved. All right, so without further ado, let's check out DCU, Digital Federal Credit Union, where you can get up to $3,000 with a credit builder loan, unsecured, and do the things that you need to do. All right, so let's check them out. All right, so DCU, Digital Federal Credit Union. All right, they got a lot of good things coming on. Re-image your credit union experience with DCU Digital Banking. All right, so I'm looking for a credit card, a vehicle loan, all different things. They got the DCU Support Center membership, application status, loan payment, schedule an appointment, your guide to an auto loan refinance to help you find the right coverage, spend less time at the register, European Counts Financial Education Balance Program, DCU for Kids, nonprofit. Got a lot of different things going on. So what you want to do is, you got the bank option. You want to sign up, you go to the bank, and then they got the checking accounts, free checking, HSA checking. They got the business service, free business checking, business savings, primary savings, advantage savings, money market savings, member described savings. They got a lot of different accounts. So what you want to do is get you a free checking account and a free savings account. So free checking and primary savings. Once you get that, you're gonna start making deposits and start building a relationship. So you just make a couple of deposits, just make a couple of deposits, right? So then you're gonna go over here to borrow. Once you go over here to borrow, you got the credit cards, student loans, and you got mortgage, and you got personal loans. You're gonna go to the credit builder loan. Once you go to the credit builder loan, build or rebuild your credit while building up your personal savings. Alright, so the credit builder loan is specifically designed to help you build or rebuild your credit history as you build up to $3,000 in savings plus dividends, right? So flexible terms, 12 to 24 months, fixed loan rate, 5% annual percentage APR, earned dividends, funds in your DCU account, earned dividends at the published divided rate. Established credit as you repay on time. We report this information to the credit bureaus. Maximum term is 24 months. So up to 24 months, 5% APR, $43. Maximum loan amount $3,000. So you'll be paying $43 per $1,000. So annual, the APR, estimated monthly payment, EMP. So you be paying roughly almost $200 a month. And then down here is anticipated. You just type in what you think you can afford and things like that. So free checking, monthly fee. Then they got the auto refinance loans. They got the Visa Platinum credit card. They got the signature personal loans, right? So let's go check out the signature personal loans. And that's just with a signature. So terms, I think the signature loan like $10,000 too. So for the signature loan, terms up to 60 months, keeping your payments affordable on a larger loan amounts. Competitive rates, your rate and payment remain the same for life of your loan. Save your loan rate with the plus or relationship checking benefits and make payments electronically. Up to 60 months, per $1,000 you be paying $21.12. So they got signature loans too. Check out their credit cards. No annual fee, balance transfer, foreign transaction, or cash advantage fees, fraud notification, ability to freeze, unfreeze your credit card. Features and benefits. With the rate below the national average, coverage and credit card is perfect to consolidating debt and paying down larger purchases faster over the shorter period of time. If you need to carry a balance, is good for you for that too. Interest rates below the national average. Mobile wallet compatibility, monthly FICO score, identity theft protection with Norton LifeLock, extended warranty with warranty managed services. Same day delivery from local grocery stores with shipped, or whatever that is. And then it just goes down to it's a no annual fee. I think the balance like $5,000. So you definitely want to check them out for the credit card, the Visa Platinum credit cards. Definitely a good credit card. Let's see. Yeah, they got it's 5,000. So at $5,000, your estimated payments would be 73. Under the proposed payment terms, it will take you 73 more payments or 6.1 years to pay off the remaining balance. Interest alone amount would be $2,200 on 5, so you'll be paying back $7,200. So yeah, tap in with them. DCU, Digital Federal Credit Union, man, they giving out that paper. They giving people that money, man. Let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. $3,000 credit builder loan. You trying to rebuild your credit, you need some quick cash, you need some fast cash, go sign up right now with them. DCU, Digital Credit Federal Union, they give you $3,000. Sign up with them just to help you build your credit and build a relationship with them. Now, a lot of people be asking me in the comments, what is a relationship? Now, when I be saying build a relationship with a bank, I mean by having a bank account with them, a checking and savings account, and frequently and regularly depositing money in. More money going in than what's coming out. That's how you build a relationship with any bank, so you can start getting certain perks, credit card offers, loan offers, discounts, things like that. So that's how you build a relationship with a bank. Opening up a bank account, checking and savings, depositing money, having direct deposits come in, you taking out less money. They see that, they're going to start giving you offers, sending you offers, perks, and things like that. So that's what I mean by establishing a relationship with that bank. All right, so make sure you guys go check them out. DCU, Digital Credit Federal Union. They're giving out $3,000. They got $10,000 personal signature loans. So if you got a bank account with them and you have a relationship with them and your credit is okay, they'll give you up to $10,000. They also got credit cards up to $5,000. I just showed you that. 73 months, you'll be paying back an extra you'll be paying $7,200 back on a $5,000 loan. So they really trying to get more people to sign up with their branch, their program, so they can, and by you signing up, they're gonna give you, perks that other banks probably wouldn't give you, just so you can build that relationship with that bank and they can get more people to sign up. They get paid off the APR. So there you guys have it. DCU Federal Credit Union, Digital Federal Credit Union. Sign up. Get your journey started today. Don't miss out. All right, so shout out to everybody that's been tapped into the video. Shout out to all my real supporters, subscribers, new subscribers, and fans, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me, keep going. Y'all motivate me, keep dropping the sauce, keep y'all entertained. All right, so shout out to y'all. All right, still looking for people for the production company, actors, rappers, models, content creators, producers, cameraman. All right, so anybody out there with some fire music, you ready to tap in, you ready to get exposed, you ready to get your music out there. I got a lot of major funding coming up with the production company. So music reviews is $200. You want me to see what you got, you want to get signed, you want to get your chain, you want to get your watch, you want to get some promotion, you want to start making some money, tap in with music reviews is $200. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself, why should I invest $200,000 into your music career? This entertainment business is not free and it's not cheap. It takes a lot of money and investment to get somebody popping and recognized. All right, so $200 is too much for you. It's all gravy. Don't send me your money. Don't send me y'all music or nothing if you're not willing to enter the music review, all right? Models, looking for models out there. Any beautiful ladies out there is looking to elevate their life, ready to start getting exposure, getting their brand, getting their platform out there. I'm going to put you behind the camera, in front of the camera, with blogs, music videos, skits, movies. Whatever it takes for you to get exposure, get some money, get some views, we're going to make it happen. All right, I'm going to put you in a lot of good positions. So if you got good head on your shoulders, tap in. You can't be corrected, you can't be directed. All right, I'm only dealing with people who can listen, who understands that, hey, I need a little help, I need a little guidance. Help me out with that. And teamwork make the dream work. All right, so tap in with me, beautiful ladies. All right, any content creators out there, you got at least 500 subscribers on. You got at least 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel and at least 4,000 watch time hours. Tap in with me. Let's elevate your channel. Let's elevate your brand. Let's start getting this money. Anybody out there, producers, tap in. Cameraman, you are in Houston, Texas, surrounding areas, or can travel, tap in with me. You got a good camera, 4K, 8K, 6K, red, whatever. You got one of the best cameras. Tap in with me. You good with the editing. Tap in with me. Please have a portfolio. Please have something to show before you contact me. There's a lot of people that contact me saying, I want to be your cameraman. I want to be your cameraman. Then I go check out y'all Instagram page and y'all don't got no videos, no work on y'all page. So I just can't let anybody be my cameraman. You got to have some work. You got to be able to show and prove that you got some good work behind that camera. You can edit. You got good editing skills, because this business is going to take off. I need real deal people behind the scenes on my team working, because we're finna make a lot of money. So tap in with me if you're a real cameraman, you edit real videos and things like that. All right, so tap in with me. All right, Get y'all unlimited gems, FaceTime one-on-ones, $1,200. Tap in with that. I'm going to teach you how to make passive income. I'm going to show you how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, off your iPhone. I'm going to show you how to invest your money. I'm going to show y'all documents. I'm going to show y'all methods, whatever you need, and unlimited gems, all right? So make sure you tap in with that. I'm going to show you how to get rich for sure. Limited gems, $1,200. Book your seat right now, in person, unlimited gems on the crypto tour. $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state if I got to come to you, all right? So $500 deposit, the rest of the money will be in person. Make sure y'all got y'all funds together, and let's get this knowledge, because knowledge is power. So make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all coming to win with me. Make sure y'all come to get these gems. Let's elevate. Let's keep winning. Let's keep getting this sauce. Keep liking, sharing, and commenting these videos. Let's spread the word. Let's get more people out there rich. Y'all got to start paying attention more to these videos. You got to start listening and hearing what I'm saying, because you connect the dots, you'll be blessed. All right, so tap in with me. Come get y'all lessons. Come join the team. Let's win together. It's your boy, King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I see you at the next. Peace.